My name is Adrienne, and I'm going to be the person that shows you how to make your web pages so that you can display all of your creativity on the internet. So let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is download Notepad++. Why Notepad++? Notepad++ contains the help that you need and the little cues and the quirks and the messages and the things like that to let you know that you are creating the web page the way you should be doing it. So let's get started with that. I'm going to open up a browser, type Notepad++. You'll see that it's filled in because I have done this a gazillion times. Go ahead and press enter. Select download. And then scroll down on the page and you're going to select that big beautiful green icon that says download. At the bottom of your toolbar you will see that it's scrolling. You will see that mine also says NPP681 installer 7.exe, which means that I have actually downloaded it 7 times before this one, and that makes this one the 8th. And you would be surprised I actually downloaded it more times than that. There are 0 seconds left. I'm going to tap on that bar. If you want to, you can type on the arrow and then press open. So next it's asking me, do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your PC? I absolutely do, because if I don't, then I won't get Notepad++. So I'm going to select yes, and then it's going to ask you what your language is. Mine is English. That's what I'll be speaking in. Choose whichever you're most comfortable with. Welcome to the Notepad++ V version 6.8.1 setup. So this is the setup or the installer. You want to go ahead and select next to continue. Do agree, because if you do not, you will not get an installer. You want to select next because it doesn't really matter where it's downloaded to. Select next again because it obviously knows what it's talking about. And now you can choose some things. You have the power. I'm going to select create shortcut on desktop. I do want to do that. It makes it very easy for me to know where in the world is Notepad++. Okay, and then use the old, obsolete, and monstrous icon. Now that is totally optional. You do not have to do that. I, for one, like the old icon. You might not. Install, and away we go. Away we go. Oh, okay. And now finish. And now you have Notepad++. Anyway, and this is the change log that you can read and gain extra knowledge about everything. I'm going to go ahead and exit out. And there you have it. You have completed step 1, the first tutorial, which isn't even a full 5 minutes long. But don't get used to that. See you in a couple of seconds for tutorial number 2, creating your first web page. That's what we're all here for, right? Yay! Okay, see you in a little bit.